Price hikes, password sharing crackdowns, endless scrolling through stuff you don't want to watch. Sound familiar? If you're feeling that Netflix fatigue, you're not alone. Is it time for a break? Let's talk about it. So here's the message. You can take a break from Netflix. It doesn't have to be forever. Give some of those other platforms a chance, and Netflix will be there waiting when you're ready to come back. Now, let's talk about how to actually take that break. You've got a couple of options, and we'll walk through both. It's easier than you think. First up, pausing. This is a relatively new feature, and it's perfect if you just need a short breather. If you pause your membership, it'll only last for 1 month, and then it automatically restarts. You can extend it a little, but it's not meant for a long-term hiatus. Here's how to do it. Open Netflix on the web. This works best on a computer. Click your profile icon on the top right corner and then go to Account. You see that Manage Membership button right there near the top? Click it. On the bottom of the next page, you'll see Cancel Membership in red. Click that. On the next page, you'll see 3 options. The first is the Pause for 1 month option. Click that and you're done. Your subscription will pause starting on your next billing date. Netflix will send you a reminder a week before your pause ends, and you'll have the option to pause for another month. Just keep in mind you can only pause for up to 3 months total. Of course, Netflix makes it super easy to unpause whenever you want. Just log in and you'll see big, friendly prompts asking if you're ready to come back. If you click Unpause now, you'll be charged immediately for the next month and your billing cycle will adjust accordingly. Now, what if you want a longer break or you're ready to say goodbye to Netflix for good? That's where cancellation comes in. The process is almost identical to pausing. Go to Netflix on the web, click your profile icon, then Account. Click that Manage Membership button again. This time, you're going to click the last of the 3 options, the Cancel button. Don't worry, you'll have a chance to confirm your decision. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your Netflix subscription. But here's the thing. Your data's not gone yet. Your viewing history, profiles, and recommendations will be saved for 10 months. So if you decide to resubscribe within that time, it'll be like you never left. So if you're feeling overwhelmed, burned out, or just plain bored with Netflix, don't be afraid to take a break. Whether you pause or cancel, it's your choice. Explore other streaming options, read a book, or just enjoy the extra cash in your pocket. You might be surprised how good it feels to step away for a while.